Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our prompt engineering series, and in this video we'll try to write a prompt for a specific use case. Ever wondered how to create a product description that not only informs but also inspires? Today we'll show how to write a compelling product description with the help of AI. Grab your pen and let's dive in. First, let's get to know our product. We have a stylish water bottle made from bamboo and stainless steel. Not only does it look great, but it's also designed to keep your drinks hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. Perfect for the eco conscious and the fashion forward. Next, think about the tone of your description. Since these bottles are eco friendly, we want to focus on words that resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Words like sustainable, eco friendly, stylish, durable, and your go to. Now it's time to write a prompt. A good prompt will give clear instructions on what we want in our product description. Okay, so we'll write a prompt. Act as an expert product copywriter specializing in eco friendly products. I am launching my new eco friendly product, that is water bottle. Your task is to write a compelling product description for a new line of eco friendly water bottles made from sustainable materials like bamboo and stainless steel. The bottles are designed to keep drinks hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. Emphasize the environmental benefits, durability, and stylish design of the bottles. Make sure to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Highlight the bottle's convenience for everyday use and encourage the reader to make a purchase. Include a call to action at the end, urging customers to make a positive impact by choosing these eco friendly bottles. Let's see how this prompt turns into a compelling product description. Okay, so read the response of AI. That is amazing. You can tweak your prompt if you want little bit changes, and otherwise it's a good response, by the way. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful product description that not only describes the product but also connects with the audience values. Remember, the key to a great product description is to make it informative, engaging, and inspiring. Now it's your turn to write one. See you in the next video.